Taiwan's defense ministry said 8 Chinese warships and 42 fighter jets were detected around the island on Saturday, as China announced 3 days of military drills. The ministry said the strike included 29 jets that crossed into Taiwan's southwestern air defense identification zone, ADIZ, the highest number on a single day this year, according to data compiled by AFP. The show of force came a day after President Tsai Ing-wen landed in Taipei after meeting U.S. House Speaker Kevin McCarthy in Los Angeles. Tsai said on Saturday that Taiwan had been facing continued authoritarian expansionism in recent years, making cooperation between democratic nations even more important. "We will continue to work with the U.S. and other like-minded countries to jointly defend the values of freedom and democracy," he said. The Defense Ministry said the attack was detected between 6 and 11 a.m. local time. Taiwan's Mainland Affairs Council called on China to exercise restraint. "Taiwan will not back down or yield, and we will not provoke or act rashly," he added. The ADIZ is not the same as Taiwan's territorial airspace, including a much larger area that overlaps parts of China's own ADIZ and even parts of the mainland.